How to change profile picture on Talkie Soulful AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the profile picture on Talkie Soulful AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to search for Talkie. And after you search for Talkie Soulful AI, there should be an link popping up. You can head over to the link. As you can see right here, this is the link. You can head over to talkie-ai.com as well. And then on the bottom left, you'll find an option that shows you your username. If you expand on it, you'll find the profile option. Head over to profile, and after you head over to profile, you will be on your profile where you can edit it. So here you will see edit profile option. Tap on edit. Now if you tap on this profile icon, you will now be able to change it. So you can simply head over to your folders and choose a picture that you want. And doing that, it's really simple. Now you can edit the image, you can change its size, and then tap on save. And after doing that, if you scroll down, you'll need to tap on this save option as well. Tap on save, and with that, you have just changed your profile picture on Talkie AI. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.